Today's Clear Impact Biohack is going to give you multiple benefits, and there's nothing you need to do to get them.
I'm Carl.
And I'm Adam. We're Clear Impact Biohacking for Beginners. We help you calm your mind,
Increase your cognitive and physical energy.
and live with more vitality.
If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now to our channel for more impactful and easy to implement biohack.
So what if I told you skipping breakfast is actually healthy for you?
Right. Skipping breakfast is what people do when they do intermittent fasting.
Yeah, it's one of the great ways to kind of take some time between meals to give your digestion a little bit of a break.
Right. Multiple benefits from intermittent fasting, right?
Yeah.
Increases your HGH, your growth hormone, which helps you burn fat.
Yep.
You're getting less calories in your body, so you're actually going to, if you're worried about your weight, and if you are working on your weight, it'll help you manage your weight more effectively.
Yep, definitely get more energy from it. So the less calories you're intaking, you start to burn more of the stored glucose that's in your system. That for most of us, we just have way too much of that running through our bloodstream. So you get to really start to flush the system a little bit too.
Right. It helps with inflammation,
Yep.
Helps in disease prevention. So there's just a multitude of health benefits from giving your digestion a rest, right?
Yeah, and that's the idea of intermittent fasting. It's taking a break, not like you're taking days and days and days, but just taking a chunk of time. You know, usually I'm about 18 hours when I do it.
Right, and even as little as 15 or 16 hours. So really it just means skipping breakfast.
Right.
Try not to eat after dinner.
Yep.
And then you're 7 o'clock at night.
Yeah.
And if you go till noon the next day, that's 17 hours.
Done. Yeah.
Right.
It's a lot easier than most of us never even heard of doing this before, but on a biological level, if you recognize that there's a powerful impact, then it's just a matter of getting over the thought process that occurs when you first do this.
Right, and people hear the word fasting. Oh no, I don't want to fast. I can't, I get hungry.
Yeah.
It's nothing. It's missing one meal. And a lot of people miss breakfast all the time, which isn't good for you if you're doing it all the time necessarily.
Totally.
Depends what else you're eating, right?
Yeah. You know, we're at this time in human evolution where we just have excess amount of calories. We have access to so much food, 600,000 different choices of food, where back in caveman times it wasn't the case, and you'd have breaks between meals.
Right.
Now here we are where we're just all day long every day just shoving calories in, and a lot of the calories are empty calories. So intermittent fasting is a great way to get back in touch with your own human instincts and really your own vitality by giving your digestion a bit of a break.
Right, it's a great point. Go back to the way we evolved. Our bodies work best in the way they evolved. And the cavemen, they had great breaks between, they're hunting, kill something, bring it back, put it on the fire, then they'd eat. And now I don't suggest you go out with a spear in the woods and kill something and cook. Well,
No.
It depends who you are, really. So the hack today is to try intermittent fasting twice a week.
Yeah, so that's the challenge, okay? So within the next 7 days, pick 2 days out of there that you're gonna skip breakfast and not snack in the evening, right? So here's the timing would be, you have your dinner, let's say you finish your dinner 7 o'clock. Now you're not gonna eat or snack of anything until you get to your lunchtime the next day, whether that's noon, maybe it's 1, whatever that is. And that's your fasting period, right? From 7 o'clock till the next day at lunch.
So do that twice in the next week. Spread it out. Don't do it back-to-back days. But do it twice. And you can still have your coffee in the morning. A lot of people say it's fine just to have your coffee.
Yep.
Don't add sugar, don't add cream to it, because again, then you're starting your digestion having to work to digest those things, right?
Yeah, that's the whole idea, is to avoid any of those extra food calories going in the system so that you actually can start to burn what's in there and cleanse what's in there. And it's a beautiful thing. So coffee, if you want to still drink your coffee, go for it.
So after your week of intermittent fasting, share your experience with us.
Yeah.
Be mindful of how you felt that next day when you've been fasting, and share it on our channel.
Yeah, and we love learning from you, the community. So if you know a great way to help ease your digestion and has something to do with some fasting techniques of some kind, let us know. We'd love to hear from you.
Right, and thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe now for more impactful, easy to implement biohacks.
And if you know anybody who you think would benefit from this biohack, share this with them.
We're Clear Impact. We help you calm your mind,
Increase your cognitive and physical energy.
and live life with more vitality.
Nice.